Hey everybody, Doug Rucker here with Doug Rucker School, pressurecleaningschool.com and DougRuckerStore.com. Out here today doing a little bit of maintenance on this truck skid unit. This is a truck skid unit that I've got up for sale. Haven't used it in a couple weeks, but one of the things I discovered when I went to fire it up is an O-ring was leaking in the ball valve, and so I wanted to get that fixed. And when I tried to get the ball valve off, it wouldn't come off very easily. So I thought, well, I'll make a quick little video and show guys how to try to prevent that. This ball valve here has bearings in it, and when you connect these on here, and if they sit for very long, and the pressure from releasing your trigger or ball valve or whatever, it kind of binds these ball valves or the ball bearings up into this little ridge on your couplers. And I don't know if you can see it very easy. I'll try to get this mic, try to get this a little closer, but up inside here you'll get these little burrs or seats or whatever you want to call them, and it'll be hard to get this ball valve or the ball valve coupler off of the plug. So a great way to prevent that is make sure any fitting that you've got couplers like this to a plug, whether it's on an unloader, whether it's on a hose reel, two hoses joined together, whatever, always make sure that you're disconnecting these, I say at least once a week, and that'll help to minimize and help to prevent that. The other thing is, if it does happen, you can take you a little piece of heavy grit sandpaper like this. We keep it in the truck, and just kind of spin around right underneath that burr. Some guys will use a file, and that's fine too, whatever your preference is. I just like a piece of sandpaper because it's a lot easier to me and a lot faster. Instead of having to file all the way around that thing, I just find a little piece of heavy grit sandpaper works faster. But whatever you want to use, that's fine. But that's how you can fix that, and it's also how you can keep it from happening. The biggest thing is to remove these couplers, I say at least once a week, from any type of fitting that you've got a coupler or a plug. Okay, I hope that helps you guys in keeping the maintenance of your equipment going. And if I can help you in any way, pressurecleaningschool@gmail.com. Be glad to answer any of your questions. Y'all have an awesome day, and hope this helps.